Okay, I finally finished installing a lot of these parts here. I'm going to show you some of these lines. This hood, it's nice and tight, clean. I got it sanded and all, but it's really fits nicely. I got a lot of sanding to do, but I did finish installing the rear jambs. Of course, you see the front ones there. Also, you'll see inside, I've got the headliner roughed in, right? It's all in there. Of course, I've got yet to fully epoxy it in place, but it's been glued into place. It doesn't move on me. Also, the dash is in place. And all I've done here, and sorry, got the view there, is I've kind of glued this into place here so that the dash stays in place. There are a couple of screws here mounting the dash to this plate, this shift console, so it doesn't move. I do that so that I can put this retainer here, you know, this little separation. I use this for a couple different reasons, but it's just sitting there right now. I've not glued it into place. Also, I've got the holes drilled for the seats, where they're gonna go. I've removed the seat belts for now, and the seats. I don't need those right now. But just wanted to show just where things were. And as you can see, I still got to clean all that up in there. When I pull the body off, I will. Right now the body's on it, so I can do the last portion here. That's why the dash is in. I've got to install these pillar trim pieces. These right here. This one has not been prepared or sanded, but the other two I have them. They have been. What happens is that they get put into place here, right? And there's a lot of trimming here. I got to cut them first, and kind of finely tune, fit them in here. But that's what's next. I've been at this for a few hours. I'm about done. It's time for a beer break. But the last thing I'll do for this, in terms of the last fitting pieces, will be these pillar trim parts. And then, let's see here. Oh, this one's been done. This one's sanded. If I can get there we are. That's in decent shape. I got a little more work to do, but I've started working with this piece here. And what happens, the dash has a couple little notches in it that match this, and this gets put down here, and actually this goes on the other side. Let me put it over here. So this goes here, it covers up that there, and that gets filled in, smoothed out, and then that's going to complete the interior in terms of the cabin. And after this, this will get done tomorrow. After this happens, then I will put the interior dome light in, right? That'll go in up there. Where is that thing? There it is. It'll go in right there. And then I'll be able to draw and fit the, headliner piece itself. So anyway, just a quick update.